is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Maruchan. This is their instant lunch select hot and spicy chicken. I am under a huge time constraint, and I think I've already kind of screwed the pooch here, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll see how it goes. I think I'm gonna have to like do half of it now and half of it later, and I'm really not thrilled about that, but I'll do what I gotta do for you. So, at least not with, you know, I'll do this one and then I've gotta go and then come back and do another review. So these have like a little extra oomph, like a little extra this and that is in there. It said room temp water. There's the line. That's pretty room tempy. Right to what's interesting about this is Maruchan cup noodles are not microwavable inherently. They're generally supposed to be you add hot water to them, but this one, indeed, in freaking deedy. Let's see, 2 minutes. Giving it a try. Oh man. So Saturday I went with we went up to my sister's to decorate the Christmas tree up in Anacortes, my ancestral home. And anyways, what was the deal? There were tons of leaves everywhere, and I volunteered to rake the leaves in the front yard. As soon as we get there, torrential downpour. I'm like, I'm still doing it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I did pretty good. I didn't get it all done, but you know, we're gonna come back up there for Christmas and I'll work on it some more, and then after Christmas I'll work on it some more. There's a thing I believe I'm getting for Christmas that honestly that will help out a lot, doing all that raking. I think it will help. So, and you will see what that is after Christmas, if I get it. If I don't get it, I won't be surprised. I don't need anything for Christmas really, but I like stuff. It's fun. Anyways, yeah, then we set up the Christmas tree. My sister made Toscano soup, and it was freaking amazing. She made a loaf of egg bread that was just off the hook. Yeah, it was a really nice time, and got a bunch of stuff done up there. And then yesterday we did all this shopping, and one of the things, she got like what did we get? Like a 48 pack of water and 3 24 packs of Bang drinks, and just like this and that and the other thing, which of course had to run in and out of the rain. I'm bringing that all inside. It's just like my arms are just like, just like, it's like all my muscles feel all stringy. So 2 minutes to sit. We don't like this thing. I want to give a review right now of the KitchenAid timer for the kitchen. It's fine right now, but it's gonna, let's see, it's counting down. If you move it like up here, it disappears. That's like the problem. I don't know if you can see. There's nothing to see, buddy. It's just counting down. See though? See how it gets dark? Barely even see it, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it. Maybe we'll get a new one and you can have the old one. Would that be fun?
Yes.
Not right now though. I'm cooking. You having a good morning? Yeah.
I do have a good morning.
Good. Go eat your banana. Love you. yeah, been busy. Wow, busy. 8:23. I gotta really like jump to and start getting them ready at 8:45 for school. I think I can pull it off. I've got 39 seconds. I need to get water ready for the next one. That's really not hard. Perfect. So that's what I'm going to do on the next one. Use warmer water. And this should be... Yeah. That's enough. That's enough acidic. Did it explode? No. We were well behaved. It's coming out all frothy today. I don't know why. So my experience with the last time I had one of these select varieties is that it just wasn't a big upgrade. A little bit of hot spicy. Definitely more vegetables. I'd say a little bit more flavor. And the other upgrade is that you can see, this is the thing. The fact that you can microwave it, that's like a big thing. The other one you can't. But the problem is, people just do it anyways. You'll have people that are like, oh, the environment, oh, food, oh, we're gonna be, these things are gonna happen, this and that, and you gotta watch what you eat, and blah, blah, blah. But I'm gonna go microwave styrofoam. You betcha. It's just a quick lunch. What carb can it do? I don't know, but here's some mung bean sprouts. God, I really got to change out the music, guys. I thoroughly apologize for my lack of initiative on doing that. There's our spring onion. There's some in there. Was he saying drug power? I don't even know. There's some spring onion. There's the rest for the next one. Why not? I'm gonna put a dash of Cholula on there just to be weird. Not really all that weird, but there, dashed. Consider yourself dashed. All right, now super quickie here. All right, cool. Whoa. Yes, Christmas tree. Whoa. Okay. Next one we got is the second of the souply varieties. This is their chicken pho. I wanted to do them both on the same day because the ingredients that I'm going to be, the garnish that I have for this will go bad really quick. I.e. Thai basil. So, anyways, check that out tomorrow. This has been Hans Ramen. Wishing you enjoyment and noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.